Guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the sandwich Blooket in Blooket. So, if you go to iBlooket here, and you go to Blooket Value Guide, you go to the breakfast pack, click on sandwich, and you say it was an unreleased Blook. I'm going to be teaching you how to get this unreleased Blook. So what you do is go into the breakfast pack, click any one that you have, and if you don't have any, create a set with one and make sure that you know the questions. Then once you have 20 coins, open the pack and get one Blook, and then come back into your Blooks. And when you go to the breakfast one, what you want to do is click on any single thing. I'll just do cereal, for example. You want to right click, press inspect. This does not work with school computers, by the way. It's just at home. And then what you want to do is then right click on this code. If you don't know what the code is, I'll tell you guys. Let me just... Okay, so you see if it says this and then the name and cereal, Blook, and stuff like that, you want to right click this, edit as HTML. Now what you want to do is type in sandwich, make sure it's all lowercase, and then when over here, you want to do sandwich, but with the first letter as capitalized. Now once you do that, you click into like something else, and then bam, it is now turned into the sandwich Blook right here, but then it still says cereal. Click on it, press inspect, and then get the one right here. Now right click, edit as HTML, and then type in sandwich, first letter capitalized. And there you go. We have it right here. And now it says sandwich. Now, if you want to change the actual picture of it, press inspect. Now, what you want to do, right click, edit as HTML, and type in sandwich. Click off, and now sandwich. You have the sandwich Blook. Now you could host the game as well, but it's only temporary. It's not like keep it forever. But let's just test if this works when you host the game. Now what you want to do is go into the breakfast pack. So I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna press inspect. And let's see if you can change this while in game so then people can actually see it. Yes, you can. So now, people can't see this. Inspect. Whoa. Wait a moment. So if you're hosting it, then just go into your account, like do the same steps I did, and then look what you can do. You can make everyone believe that you have a sandwich Blook. And they'll be like, how did you get that? You could just do this. And now it's a sandwich. You don't even need to do this. But you could if you want to. And the which, bam, start it. And is it as your sandwich? Oh, it doesn't work. Oh yeah. Leave. Kick. Yes for me. Right there. Anyways, that is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.